Hey my friends, what's going on? Keder here on a beautiful day, my friend. Pound that for watching this video. Pow! So today guys, we're gonna be talking about Shopify, the next $1 million product hunt. Alright, we're gonna go on a hunt in this video for the next $1 million product with our e-commerce store. Now we just opened a new e-commerce store with Shopify. So now my goal is to actually go hunt for a next product that's gonna make millions of dollars. So I'm gonna take you with me. This video is gonna be a little bit different. I'll give you a little bit of us searching for the products, right? And we'll make other videos to keep updating you on what's doing well and how we don't. So inside of this video, we're gonna go on a hunt, baby. I hope you're excited. I hope you're ready. Let's get to it.
Let me show you.
What is that, the boob thing?
Well, it is, but these are swimsuit ones that you can wear swimming, like in the ocean. You can wear this.
Without stripe.
It's super sticky. Oh my goodness.
Do you guys
Hello.
think this product would sell?
Okay, so fill it.
All right, but before we do that, let's talk about a few key pointers that I want you to keep in mind. See, a lot of people, a lot of the time, you might have a store and you might generate millions of dollars through many different products, right? Together. But a lot of the time, all you need is you need to have one winner. You know, you can have one winner that you scale to a whole next level. Now, you must understand scaling. Okay, scaling is when you get out of your point of comfort, you know, comfort to push yourself to the next level. I know a lot of you right now that's doing e-commerce, that's doing Shopify. If you're doing $100 a day and you feel comfortable, you feel safe, that's your safe heaven, you can never pass 200. Some of you doing 1,000, you can never pass 2,000. Some of you doing 5,000, you get to that comfort level where it's where you cap that. That's where your comfort is. But once I learned to push past the barrier that hold us back, you can push to a whole next level. So first, you gotta understand scaling, okay? Number two, so we got Mr. Chris in front. And what kind of what? So we walking in right now. The ass to get exposed. Small stuff here, guys. Those of you that's into Amazon e-commerce, Shopify, definitely the place to be. Chris is doing a coaching right now on the call with a few students. Understand that it takes one winning product that has a good potential of scaling. One winning product, that one product can make you millions. You'll hear a lot of stories of people that's making millions on their stores and all they use is one product. Maybe they have a couple of different sales on their store with different products, but a lot of the time they have just a few products who's making a killing and they focus on scaling. So that's one way you can go about it. So inside of this video, that's one way we're thinking about it. You leave me a comment down below from all those products that I'll be showing you inside of this video. Let me know if you think this has the potential just from seeing the product. Now, a lot of the time we have ideas or we see a product and we say, hey, this is gonna be the $1 million product because you love it, because you love the concept, you love what it does. But in reality, if it's not tested, it's not proven. I've had so many people who comes to me and say, Keder, I've developed my own product. I have this guy from, you know, from this place overseas that's giving me this great product. I was able to get it at a certain price. This is gonna be a $1 million idea. We need to set up a website. We need to do all this work. It's not tested. The only way you're gonna know if a product is gonna make millions is by you making millions with it. That's about it. See, a lot of the time, being in the game for a while, you can have eye for something similar or something you see that has the power and the potential to actually create millions. But the only way you'll know for sure is by testing. If you're testing and you see the love, you see the appreciation, you see how much people love the product, you see the potential of it going viral in your test, and now you're scaling it to get to that level because you do believe in the product, you do stand behind it. But you can't just look at something and say, hey, this is gonna work.
Yeah.
Warehouse, parking lot, sidewalk. This replaces 4 people, 1 person in half the time. And as fast as you can walk with this, this is it, guys.
Nice.
So it's just like a city street sweeper in your hand. So they reduce your cleaning costs about 80% if you use a broom. So if you buy these, it's going to save you money. Okay.
an ad right there. You can run an ad. You got it, bro.
I got it.
So many times people come to me, say, "Hey, Keder, this is the business model. This is the product that's gonna work," and it's a flop. So what you see when you're selling, it's not really what you love, it's what the people love. It's what's getting you interaction. That's why the first phase in your marketing is always going to be testing. The people who test the most, the reason I'm showing you all these products is because I'm willing to test those products to see which one gets the reaction that I want, that I can scale to the next level. The person who's willing to go to the tedious task of testing product or product research, researching the product, you got to research before you test, because that's the task that a lot of people don't want to go through. Sitting there, going through product, learning about the product, researching the product, researching the audience, and then link the two together to make it big. But most people find that's tedious. They don't want to go to the process of research, because research takes time, right? Sometimes it's going to take tremendous time out of your day to research different product. That's why if you get a team on board, so what I'm doing right now in this video, guys, I'm actually going around and check product offline, but I have a team that's actually doing my online checking of products every single day to see what's being sold, to see what has the potential to scale to the next level. You know, once you get to that level where you start creating income, get a team on board, and you can hire a research and developing team, and those research team can actually go and research different products every single day to see what has the potential of making you millions, and then that way you can flip it back inside of your scaling method that you use to the next level. Let me give you a quick story, right? I have two friends of mine that I introduced to this online business. They came to see me one day, and so we got Mr. Jeremy right here.
What the problem is?
This is my designer, the guy who hooked up the page, all the great stuff. Mr. Bruce in the house.
Yo!
Oh, what's up?
Yo, man, how you doing, man? Oh, you still...
Really good? We still recording.
Oh, okay.
I'll be giving you guys a few views of what you can expect. So if you're looking to put a product together, or if you're looking to brand your own product, definitely the place to be.
You guys can see there's so many merchants in here, thousands of people. If you want to buy stuff in bulk, this is where you can create relationships live with different people. So go around and show you guys a few stuff.
What happened when they came to see me, they was making like $300 a day on Shopify. And a lot of you probably get stuck at that moment. They were stuck there for like 2 months. And then they got to like 400, then 500. Then they stuck there at 500 for like 6 months. They just stayed there. So they came to see me. I mean, it was Chris and Mike. So at that time when they came to see me, was actually, I was going to take a trip to Miami. I was going to meet up with one of my good mentors. His name is Kaysha. He's one of the guys in the Zouk industry. Music world. If you know anything about Zouk music, let me know down below. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of African music, and I'm also a big fan of Zouk music, African rap music, and Zouk music also. So he's part of that culture, and I've listened to him since I was a kid. So I had the opportunity to go meet him in Miami. So I flew my boys out, and then we actually traveled there. They came over, they flew in, and the next day we was actually driving to Miami. So we drove there. While on the way, I was looking at their account. And the amount of money they were spending, they got so comfortable to the point they was not hitting thousands. So all I told them was to scale up the product that they were using at the moment. On the same day, they doubled the profit. So they went from $1,000 to $2,000 on the same day. Then the next day was like $4,000, and then keep growing to the next level. Shirts. Mr. Bobby in the house.
What's going on? What's going on?
There's a bunch of students here.
Look at those. Oh man. These products are pretty dope. Wow, look at those lips.
From $4 to $8.
These are some really dope product we actually.
So you gotta know when you find a winner and how to scale it up to the next level and not have the fear of staying in comfort. I mean, we had a blast. I put a video to the blast time we had in Miami. If you want to watch that, you can check that out. But when you're looking for your next $1 million product, there's a couple of principles to keep in mind. Number one, do research. If you research more product, right, you're gonna have a field of view of what the market is really going to, what people are buying right now. You have a field of view. Number two, after you research, test more than everybody else. Every single day, make it a goal so you can testing different product. If that process gets too tedious for you, you can outsource it, get a team on board, outsource this whole process, and then so you can test a lot more product. Okay. Number three, scale winner. Okay, don't have the faith or the fear to just stay and be comfortable. Once you find that winning product, right, invest into it so you can grow it to the next level. Number 4, you can take customer service to the next level by adding different people on your team to grow it, to care for your customer. That's going to enable you to actually take it to a whole.
If you're in the online game, you definitely know women buy way more than men. So checking out some more accessories for women's hair. It's a lot of different. What do you guys think of those socks? If you love food, we got different ones. We got those bagel socks. Look at those. Do you think those would sell? Leave a comment. Let me know. Pretzel socks, watermelon socks, hot dogs. Those are socks. Leave a comment. Let me know if you think those would sell. Yes. If I should test those on my
Let me show
products.
you.
What is that, a boob thing?
Well, it is, but these are swimsuit ones that you can wear swimming, like in the
Swimsuit.
ocean. You can wear this
Wow.
anywhere.
Without stripe.
It's super sticky. Oh my
Do you
goodness!
think,
Hello,
do you guys
hello.
think this product would sell?
Okay, so fill it. I need one of you guys to fill this. Okay. Now,
That's
this.
the strapless bra?
No, this is something you can actually wear. This is going to be huge for summer because you put it right here under even your string bikini,
Okay.
and it's going to actually make you look a lot better. Give you the, boobs.
A little boost.
Little boobs.
Little boost.
Well, these are going to
Look at
save
this.
my life.
Strapless panties, guys. This would be dope. Think about it.
Strapless panties.
Would you guys test this on a Facebook ad? What do you guys think?
Show
And
you
the
a
margin
couple
on
more
those are
products
really
since I'm all on
sick.
TV and
Margin,
stuff.
how much you can actually make on
Alright.
them are really sick.
So
Let me
we've
know.
got, so
You should
we've got
buy them
this
in
as
bulk.
well.
What do you guys think? We're gonna run a test campaign. But
Yeah.
If this video was insightful to you, if you do find insightful to you, if you do find some value, great stuff in this video, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also subscribe to the channel. That was your boy Keder. Appreciate you. Let's take it to a whole next level, baby. Pound that for watching this video. Pow. And if you make it to the end of this video, be sure to leave a comment. Click over here to watch all my videos on Shopify e-commerce that I've done, and you click down below for another video on how to make money online. See you guys later.